All right, primetime sports players. Here's the video to randomize. This is actually helmet number 1. Sorry, we did helmet number 2 already. This is for helmet number 1 for Thursday's break. This is for the AFC draw. We will check the time here. It's January 6th at 8:57 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. Check our time here. We have January 6th at 8:57 p.m. We are going to randomize the 16 AFC teams. We'll match that to our entry list, and that is who you will have for the AFC. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. Okay. Okay, we have a system error. We'll try that again. I don't know what is going on with my computer tonight. There we go, 6 times. All right. Here we go. Good luck. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we go. Last and final. Good luck. There's 6. So we'll get this posted up on the break here. After we do the NFC, we'll put all the teams up. That's it. We'll see you Thursday. Thanks.